Michelle, February is National Children's Dental Health Month, and Dr. Joe Maio from Apex is joining me to talk about your little ones and how soon to get them in to see the dentist.
That's right.
Is that the question you always get asked?
Always get that question, and is it something that actually needs to be done because these are teeth that are going to fall out? So,
right.
Yeah. So.
Okay, so how soon should you bring your child in?
Really, so the best time to bring your child in, particularly if it's your first child, is right when that first tooth pops through. So you're not going to be able to do much, but we want to get the child in there to really talk about what it means to be in the dental office, get them over that fear that a lot of children are going to have of being in the dentist chair. So we get them in, have some fun with them, give them a ride up and down in the chair, just talk to mom and dad about how to actually take care of the child's teeth. Because a lot of them just think, okay, well, my kid's crying at night or something, can I just put a bottle in their mouth? Just show them the proper ways to brush, take care of their teeth, so they can start to develop these habits nicely right from the beginning. And you should be brushing as soon as you see that first tooth. Absolutely. And a lot of people think, okay, now once my kid gets the dexterity, I'm going to let them just brush their teeth. So there's a lot of independent 4-year-olds that want to do it. Really, you should be helping your child brush their teeth probably till they're 8 years old. Did you set the timer with your kids so they know how long they should brush? You know, we just have like this little hourglass timer that we do that we set upside down, and they'll sit there and play with it and their Legos throughout the day and everything and see how fast they can do things. But yeah, you have to develop those habits early in these things, and I kind of think of baby teeth as kind of like your trial teeth, so you've got one set you can mess up, don't mess up the permanent ones. All right, what if you do mess up and there's a cavity? Do you wait till it falls out, or do you need to take your child to the dentist? No, you need to take your child to the dentist because your child can experience a lot of pain, okay, and so you want to avoid that for them. It can also, if the infection's bad enough in the tooth, it can actually spread through the bone and start affecting the permanent teeth. If you lose teeth prematurely based on cavities happening in their mouth, it can actually cause other teeth to drift, and so what may be avoided with braces and those kind of things, you may actually be causing your child more harm if you're not getting it taken care of. I didn't know cavities were that serious in those little teeth. Okay, do I need to go to a pediatric dentist with kids that small? Mm-hmm. A lot of people feel comfortable taking to a pediatric dentist. Our dentists at Apex are actually trained in several areas of it, and so we see patients from 1-year-old to 99-year-olds, and sometimes you get a really energetic kid in the office that doesn't want to participate much. We do offer all levels of sedation from, I think the youngest age that I've sedated was two-year-old patient. Wait, I'm glad you brought that up. Is that okay? Is sedation okay for kids? Absolutely, yeah, absolutely, and it's sometimes a preferred method. We actually bring in a nurse anesthetist into our office so they can keep your child safe while we're doing the dentistry and getting it done quickly. And because it's all about making the experience good for the child and the parent, because it can be dramatic on the parent if they're not getting taken care of. Well, you have that conversation, moms and dads, I know you do on the way over there, that it's going to be okay. Yeah. And so you're hoping you're right when you get there. Usually it's the parent that wants to tell them how the experience isn't going to be that great, but fortunately, usually the parents are patients of ours and we're able to take care of them. Apex is so awesome. I take my kids there and they have prizes at Apex, and they know. Right, of course. They're sitting out there. They get to choose the cool prize after they go in. All the locations on your screen, along with the phone number, and please go to our website and we'll link you to all of those locations. The dentists at Apex are the best, and the patients are the best, and so you want to appreciate them. You have a big event coming up. We do, yeah. Every year we have a patient appreciation event. April 18th, if you become a patient of Apex, you can be entered into our $10,000 vacation getaway. No, $10,000 vacation. Like, you needed to punch that last part. $10,000. $10,000. This is such a cool vacation. You have to sign up now to be a patient, and also refer if you already are one, so you get more chances to win. We have the best patients in the world, and things just continue to get better for us, and we love all, and this is a great way that we can show our appreciation. So great deals on their website right now too, so don't forget to check those out. Thank you, Dr. Joe. It's always a pleasure. Up next, everybody, we are headed to the kitchen. Yoshi's is here, Brian.
Oh, you bet. Not only that, we've got a lot going on as far as getting the job of your dreams, and you can do that looking good too. We've got tips to dressing for success.